Alright, YouTube, we're gonna cook again. Got a little tiny onion. And let's start with that. Get it all cleaned up. Okay. I'm gonna plug in the use skillet again. I don't know why I didn't grab the copper chef, but I grabbed this because it was clean on top. Just using the regular burner. Gonna do up an onion. I'm gonna break out a couple more of those sweet mini peppers. Pretty frozen. In the bitty ones. I'm gonna put a little bit of minced garlic. Let that get up to heat. Alright. Onions go in. Some people seed them. I don't mind the seeds. Let those cook down a little bit. I already cooked tortillas up. And that's a leftover hamburger. So we're going to put all this stuff in a tortilla. Alright, I'm making more tortilla bowls, but this one I didn't push it down as far, so it might end up with a bigger bowl. Chopping it down. It's not a fancy, just a leftover meal. Like a taco bowl, kinda. A little more olive oil. The beauty about stainless is I can chop this down right in the pan. I wouldn't do this with those copper chefs. So I guess grabbing the wrong, air quotes, pan isn't always a bad thing. A little sriracha in there. Alright, we're going to let it keep cooking. Alright, keep it moving. Alright, what we have here is a can of Ortega refried beans. And open those up. And I'm just going to move this stuff off to the side a little bit. Going to try to heat some of these refried beans right up in the pan. There's a plan here. There's a plan. We'll do a flyover of it cooking. Looking good, isn't it? All right. Alright, the pan consists of 2 taco shells. Alright, I think we're hot enough. So what we're going to do, going to get some of this refried beans and put it in the bottom. I'll take some of this other stuff, put it in the mix. We gotta move the cat, Vinny. Get up there. Get the lettuce out of the cooler. Just gonna reach in there and break off some lettuce. Nice iceberg. Hopefully that camera's pointing down enough. That might help. Alright. Now we also have some shredded cheese I'm going to put in. We're going for the layering method. And some more of the mix. More of the refried beans. A little bit more lettuce. The last of the mixture. Got to get it all in there. More sriracha. Cheese. Let's go nuts, huh? And because it's me, sriracha smiley faces. Alright. Get the cell phone out to show you better pictures. Fly over. Doesn't that look pretty good? I think it looks pretty good. 2 awesome leftover taco bowls. Let's eat it. Alright, let's dig in there. Ooh. Oh yeah, YouTubers. That works. That works. I'm very happy with that. Hope you enjoy and have a great and wonderful day.